Hi, I'm Jing, a Chinese teacher. If you're learning Chinese or thinking about learning Chinese, you may want to get yourself a Chinese name first, because that way, when you are introducing yourself to Chinese people, it's easier for them to remember your name and can leave a deep impression on them. So in this video, I will give you a brief introduction about Chinese names, and maybe we can get you one. Chinese names, and in here I mean the Han nationalities' name, not other nations, because their names can be more complicated and some of them are written in their own languages, not Mandarin. So I'm not gonna elaborate here today. So the Han nationalities' name can be divided into two parts: family name at first and personal name or given name at last. Family names can be traced back to thousands of years ago, but now we just use them because our family did. If you're interested, you can Google it and find more details. Most family names have only one character, only a few have two characters or more. According to statistics, there are still around 7,000 family names in use, but just like the last series of videos I made about 100 most common Chinese characters, which cover 47% of daily reading and writing, the most common 100 family names can cover 85% of Chinese family names. And you know what? The very most common 10 family names can still cover 43% of Chinese family names. So by knowing only 10 characters, you can pronounce half of Chinese people's family names. And they are Li, Wang, Zhang, Liu, Chen, Yang, Zhao, Huang, Zhou, Wu. Personal name, however, can be any characters in Chinese. Every Chinese character has its specific meanings, and our family puts their hopes for us by using these characters when naming us. Usually, personal name have 1 to 2 characters, but it's not like rules, it's just habit. So here, I'm gonna use one of my friend's name as an example. So her name is Wang Hongren. Wang is her family name, and a very common one, just like I said. Hongren is her given name, and character Hong means red, and red color in China stands for joy and luck. Character Ren means person, and there's actually a word in Chinese called Hongren, which means popular person. So her family gave her the name Hongren to wish her good luck and getting along with people. And that's a brief introduction about Chinese names. If you already have a Chinese name, you can leave a comment and share with us how it comes. And if you don't have one, you can also tell me in the comment section your main family name and main given name and the meaning of each in your own language. And I'll try to come up with the Chinese name based on that. So that's today. Thank you. See you next time.